What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about Scrambly once again for this last video. um, but for this video we're going to be talking about bonus codes, tips and tricks, and some other things that I did not cover in the last two Scrambly videos. And then after this Scrambly video, we're going to move on to some new apps. So with that being said, let's jump into it today. Basically, I want this video for Scrambly to serve as just a video for all things that I've missed in the last two videos. Um, as well as I want each and every one of you to comment below and put anything else that I've missed throughout the last three videos, and just let me know in the comment section. That way other people can find it as well, and they'll be able to read it later on. So basically what I wanted to talk about was redeem codes. And basically redeem codes, you'll see other Scrambly users post redeem codes. They'll say sign up with my code or use my code. So you can use other people's redeem codes that they post on social media or send you. You can use it if you want. You don't have to use it. But there are also redeem codes from Scrambly themselves, and they will post on Instagram and Facebook and other social medias like that. And basically they will say, unscramble this word. They'll give you a picture on like Instagram and they'll say unscramble this word. The word is the redeem code, and the first 100 people will get 20 cents or 50 cents or $1 or something like that. Or they get a boost on all earnings for the next 4 hours from all their games. Something like that. And so that is a really, really good way to get boosts for your affiliate referrals, your regular referrals, and as well as all of your games. Like I just said, they can send you a code that will boost all your earnings for the next 4 hours. I've had that before, and it's pretty neat because you can just go and you can download and play new offers, and with that you're going to automatically earn pretty much double or triple what you would have earned on the regular. I do just want to say real quick, there will also be a cash out within this video. So if you see this, just know there will be a cash out towards the end of this video. You just got to keep watching. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the login streak. So I don't know if you've noticed, if you've played longer than like 10 days or so, but as you go on, it'll give you more and more every single day up until a certain point. I thought, when I first started, I thought it would just keep going up and up as long as you're logging in every day. Well, it stopped at 8 cents. I don't know what day it stops and maxed out at 8 cents, but it stops at 8 cents. And so if you go even further, it basically you'll have to log in for, say, 2 days instead of 1 day to get the 8 cents, and so on and so forth. And I had just recently found that out, and I kind of wanted to tell people that because a lot of people are gonna want to log in every single day. They think it's gonna keep increasing, and well, they're gonna start making it where you have to log in 2 days, 3 days just to get the 8 cents. And then another thing I did want to say is the playtime rewards, where you get to select whatever app you want, and you can get playtime rewards outside of the Scrambly app. And so I found out that if you don't do any of the offers on Scrambly and you just do the playtime rewards, they will stop your playtime rewards, and tell you that you need to complete at least one offer to unlock your playtime rewards for the next 2 days. And so if you don't complete an offer within like 1 or 2 days, they will pause your playtime rewards and stop you from earning the playtime rewards. The thing that stopped me from wanting to use Scrambly, unfortunately, is it's that. And basically they force you to download and complete one offer, even if you don't want to keep your playtime rewards, when that should not be a thing. And if you look at the playtime rewards, they limit how much you can get per day. You can only get a max of 16 cents for playtime rewards per day. And if you notice, you have to do a total of 120. Well, it's probably even more than that, actually, because 120 minutes is the max time for to complete all of them, to get all of the rewards for the playtime. And it's not a whole lot of money, really. 16 cents a day, and they want to pause your playtime rewards so that you complete an offer so that they earn, which in turn is kind of, it's a turnoff for me. Like, I've reviewed tons and tons of apps over the years, and after seeing that's just crazy. And in my opinion, if I had an app like that, or if I had an app like Scrambly, I would not do people like that. That's crazy. Because all in all, at the end of the day, people are still logging on to Scrambly, if you think about it, and they're still using Scrambly, even if they're not downloading and playing a new offer. And this is just going to deter people away from the app. And lastly, I wanted to talk about the offers, because a lot of people are probably not transparent about the offers. So with the offers, basically a lot of them do not track. Like, I had an offer, I think it was the first game that I played, and basically it said, download the app, start playing. I got rewarded for that. That was 1 cent. The next one was complete the tutorial, and it didn't give me that one. And then the next one after that was like reach level 3 or reach level 5, and I completed that one and it gave it to me. Well, if you reach level 3 or level 5 in that game, that means you completed the tutorial. Like, I went super far in the game to complete the tutorial to get that money for that, little reward, and they did not give it to me. So the last few days, I've been reporting it to them and telling them, hey, this has not rewarded me. And really, all in all, it is like only 5 cents or 2 cents or something. But if I completed it and I'm way further in the game, and you've already rewarded me for being further in the game, you can see that I've completed the tutorial. So why are you not giving me my 5 cents? It makes no sense to me. So that is one thing that I found. And very, very lastly, before I show you the cash out, basically when I was doing the whole make purchases within games, things like that, I noticed, okay, like, I've earned over $40, right? But it shows me in the app that I've made over $40, but I feel like on my end, it's less than $40. I don't know why, but I feel like it's a little bit less, like it's not the full actual amount because of the tracking or something with the app. And basically I don't know, that's a big issue for me. And yeah, the whole tracking issue is just a big issue for everything, because they will track certain things and then not track other certain things, and then you get paid for something else like we just talked about, and then they don't pay you a reward, but they'll pay you higher up in the game. It makes no sense. So the whole tracking for the games and the apps and everything needs to be better, and the whole restricting people's playtime outside of the app and rewarding them is bullcrap, as well as, you know, the rewards for even us doing it is, it's horrible. So I'm gonna stop doing it. And yeah. Now that you've seen the app and all of the things that I've missed and all of the things that I've wanted to show everybody, I thank you guys for watching this video and watching all of my other videos on my channel. If you want to find this app, Scrambly, you can find the link in the description of this video, as well as other important links for all of my other socials where you can find me, where I post videos like Rumble, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, things like that. You can find it in the description of all of my videos. And I will see each and every one of you in the next new video. Peace.